Alright, hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College, and I've been going through my plan of attack for the JavaScript Hot 3 test that we took last week. And I was looking here and I thought, boy, it's got to be a simple error. How about putting IMG here before the word about? Let's see what that does. So I'm going to come back in here into my about page, and before about, I'm going to add IMG dash. Put that in all of these. 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm not saying that fixed everything, but let's see. Well, we have pictures. Okay. I still got to fix that thing there. Alright. So I've got that too. But I'm not, it looks like these don't look like they're thumbnail size to me. So I want to go look at that. And then I'll have to go back also and take a look at the swap.js. Alright. Do I have something called image list? Do I have something called caption? Do I have something called main image? Alright, so let's look. That can be closed. There's image list. There's main image. And I need caption. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I've got all those. That's good. Now, let's look at the sizes. This could be just something on me. It could be a lot of things. So what I want to do is I want to go back to my gym, images, about. Now these resized ones that are in here, these, in fact, I never put those in. So those resized ones should be in there. All right, and these should all be 1200 by 800. Oh, that's my thumbnail. I'm sorry. One, 2, 3, 4. That's good. All right. So now when I go back to my resized, let's see. Oh, I don't want resized. I want my thumbnails. Let's see. 200 by 150, 200 by 150, 200 by 150. That's good. These are all the same size. All right, so I need image, about, thumbnails, and I need those names. I thought that was correct. Image, about, thumbnails, TN before and after. There we go. All right, so right now, I mean, it's quite obvious I've got a problem, and it's probably in the JavaScript here, but I don't know. Strict, do my aliasing, links, title, I did do titles. So let's bring up that. Don't need that for right now, but that's fine. I want to bring up in here the under my miscellaneous Muroc swap. I want to bring up the index file, and I want to be able to look at this one, and I want to be able to look at this one. All right, I think if I right mouse click on here and I choose move to other view, there, I can cut that into two like this. All right, so now I'm just looking at this in both halves here. I'm looking for something that sticks out here. going to have to be in here somewhere. Alright, image list, images, mine would be about, that should be right. Those are the thumbnails. Oh, I think, okay, this should be the regular sized one, and that should be the thumbnail. Alright, let's see if that fixes anything. So, this should be image resize, I believe. Like that. That's still going to be wrong. That's going to have to be about resized. Don't know if I made it better or worse. We're going to find out. So let's save that. Come over to here. Run it in Chrome. Alright. Still have 04, which I don't like. That looks goofed up. These are not thumbnails. And the reason that they're showing like this, I believe, is probably because of the CSS. So we're going to have to look at that too. So we also don't want this one to be like this. We want that one to be like this. It's about resized. Okay. Before and after number 1. All right. Now, was there anything special? Let me close this. I'll come back to where this is the one from the book. So as long as I'm in the one from the book, let's do a file open and let's look at the CSS file. H2P padding display inline. Well, that's going to fix that. The LI display inline is going to be fixed. Copy. Looking for something else in there, but I don't see anything. So let's see if I do a UD ID equals image list. I'm just going to come in here and say this class equals inline, IL for inline. Now this is overkill. I shouldn't really be doing it like this, but I am going to anyway. So now I've got to open up. I didn't want to have to write any CSS for you. I figure that's your job, not mine. Okay, so .li and what was that? Display inline. Alright, that was the index. This was my swap. Where is my abouts? File. Open. About. Run. Alright. Well, I'm still running into problems here. Oh boy. Why isn't it grabbing at least that part of it? It's because I put the LIs in the wrong thing. Where are those LIs? I put that in my index. Alright. Did I make it better? It didn't change a flippin' thing. To have now class equal LI or IL. And my style, display, inline, which is correct, I think. Boy, I got a lot of stuff open. All right. First thing I want to check is this. I don't think there was anything in there I had to change. I've got image list, I've got caption, and I have main image. Those are all in there. Image links, I want to get a list node, I want to get my A tag, so that should be here, 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 and here. That's good. These should be set up correctly. Alright, then I want to go through them, preload my images. Yeah, and it should be preloading the image about thumbnails. So that's the one associated with them. Oh, doggone it. I don't know if you'd consider this good news or bad news, but the good news is you're getting to watch me come in here and actually try to you're getting to come in here and actually watch me work with this, and for lack of better words, come in here and try to even do some debugging right in front of you. So the about page, yeah, that's all good. All right. Main, I put it in a section which shouldn't matter a bit. could add these things. Before my UL, I'll have to change it a bit. So I'll say this: before and after images. Click on an image to enlarge. OK. First. I mean, I put that class. I can get rid of that. That's not a big thing. That just was meant, it didn't seem to be working, but that was meant to make it show on or inline rather. Okay. All right. ahref equals after title. We've got that. Image source equals, and that should be, well, this one's wrong. It shouldn't. Yeah, that's the full size. The image about resized. Good. And that's the thumbnail. Resize before and after 2. Well, there's obviously problems in here, and I'm looking for them, and as of right now, not seeing them. Save. I want to fix that. That's bugging me for whatever reason. Before and after images. Click on an image to enlarge. See, if I click on another one, does it change? Yeah, it does change that. No, it's not. That's not even coming in there. And if you look here, I've got, that should be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this says before and after number 3 and before and after number 1. I think that's the heading for this. So fix that. The answer is always in the code. So I think I'm going to stop right here. Don't want to do that, but I'm going to stop right here. And what I will end up doing is going through the first half of this with the class, see how far we get with that, and then finish the second half tomorrow. Sorry about that. That's the best I can offer right now.